the other day I shot a video on the I Am Jet Set. All right, this is the second day I'm using the tools and strategies that have been taught in Internet Jet Set, only to get myself about 82 bucks in my current week. Okay, I got it on Thursday and I got it on Friday. That's yesterday and today. And it seems like this is going to keep on going if I keep on using the strategies inside I Am Jet Set. Now, why is this working? Well, it's the latest strategies that are happening right now. All right. Other people are actually making Clickbank sales over and over. And the reason why is because Crestani is basically helping you achieve those results. He wants you to make your first commissions. So he's giving you a lot of stuff inside where you're going to be able to make your first commissions in an hour, etc. All right. I'm not going to get into details exactly on why, how, and what. That's inside the training that you need to go through the program. And each one has its own section where you're going to go through the course. All right. This is one of the best courses I've been through, going through, etc. This is straight up. This is the fastest course I've been able to make a commission from. No joke. It's actually working for me. So the reason why it's working is because the information in here is so valuable that anybody that wants to build their business online should come get Internet Jet Set, maybe even get my program, put it together, and I'm telling you, you're going to be a superstar affiliate following through everything that they're giving you here, right? All I'm saying is that I'm vouching for this program. I got the proof that it's working. I'm getting the commissions that I'm wanting to get, and I've been only working with this for like a couple of days. All right, this is the I Am Jet Set. All right, this is the program from Johncrestaniscam. Make sure you check the links below. It's very, very affordable and perfect for anybody that wants to build the business online successfully and following the right paths and stuff that we're using in this industry that we call affiliate marketing, internet marketing, etc. All right, once again, Internet Jet Set from Johncrestaniscam. Pick it from my links below. If you have any questions, I know the vendor. I can help you out, get contact, and we can get you started, basically. All right, thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace out.